Today I'm going to explain the question and answers of this lesson called Aparadh. पाठांश को पढ़कर प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखो. पाठांश means a part of the lesson. पढ़कर प्रश्न means questions and उत्तर means answer. मैंने भाई को झटक दिया और खुद को छुड़ाकर घर की ओर भागा. I just snapped my brother and freed myself from his grip and ran towards home. झटक दिया means snapped. खुद को छुड़ाकर means I left myself free from his grasp or grip. भाई डर गए थे और दौड़कर मुझे मनाना चाहते थे. My brother was scared and he wanted to run and come and persuade me or convince me that nothing is wrong, everything is fine. डर गए थे means he had got scared. मनाना चाहते थे means he wanted to persuade me. लेकिन उनका दायां पैर पोलियो का शिकार था, इसलिए वे मेरे साथ दौड़ नहीं सकते थे. But his right leg was affected by polio. That is the reason why he could not run with the author. दायां पैर means right leg. Polio का शिकार था means it was affected by polio. Now polio is a disease, children, where the legs, they become very thin and they are no more able to function as legs. They cannot take the weight of the body. उन्होंने लंगड़ाकर दौड़ने की कोशिश भी की, लेकिन वे गिर गए. He tried to run by limping. लंगड़ाकर means by limping. कोशिश भी की means he tried. लेकिन वे गिर गए. But he fell down. The elder brother fell down. Now the questions, we have to answer these questions after reading this paragraph. लेखक किस ओर भागा? To which direction did the author run? किस ओर means to which direction? किस ओर? लेखक घर की ओर भागा. He ran towards home. The answer is घर की ओर. भाई डरकर क्या करना चाहते थे? His elder brother was scared when the younger one or the author, he started crying and he started running towards home. So he was scared, and by becoming scared, what did he want to do? क्या करना चाहते थे means what did the elder brother want to do? भाई डरकर लेखक को मनाना चाहते थे. Now the elder brother was scared. Why was he scared? He was thinking that if the author goes home and complains about him, his parents will scold him. So what did he want to do? He wanted to persuade or convince the author. मनाना चाहते थे means he wanted to make him happy by talking to him. भाई लंगड़ाकर क्यों दौड़े? Why did the elder brother run? By limping. लंगड़ाकर means limp. भाई लंगड़ाकर दौड़े क्योंकि उनके दाएं पैर में पोलियो हो गया था. He was limping and running because his right leg was affected by polio. लेखक के भाई उनसे कितने साल बड़े थे? The author's brother was elder to him by how many years? कितने साल means by how many years? उत्तर, लेखक के भाई उनसे, here you have, this is answer, children. लेखक के भाई उनसे 6 साल बड़े थे. 6 साल means 6 years. So the author's brother was elder to him by 6 years. लेखक को अपने भाई से ईर्ष्या क्यों होती थी? ईर्ष्या means, children, jealous. So why did the author used to feel jealous about his elder brother? लेखक को अपने भाई से ईर्ष्या इसलिए थी क्योंकि उनके बहुत सारे दोस्त थे. Because his elder brother had many friends and the author did not have many, that is the reason why he was jealous of his elder brother. बड़े भाई गुल्ली पर गुस्से से प्रहार क्यों कर रहे थे? गुल्ली means, children, I told you it's a game where you have a bat like stick and with that you hit these small pebbles. So they are asking, either there are places where they use pebbles or sometimes they use this small stick. That small stick is hit by the big stick which is almost similar to a bat. So they are saying, बड़े भाई गुल्ली पर गुस्से से प्रहार क्यों कर रहे थे? Why was the elder brother hitting that small stick with anger? गुस्सा means anger. प्रहार क्यों कर रहे थे means why was he hitting it with anger? उत्तर, बड़े भाई गुल्ली डंडे के खेल में कई बार पिछड़ रहे थे, इसलिए गुल्ली पर गुस्से से प्रहार कर रहे थे. Now many times he was getting defeated in the game of gulli danda. That is the reason why he was getting angry and he was hitting that small stick or the gulli in anger. पिछड़ रहे थे means he was getting defeated. लेखक ने अपनी माँ से क्या कहा? What did the author go and tell his mother? लेखक ने अपनी माँ से कहा कि भाई ने मुझे डंडे से मारा है. The author went and lied to his mother saying that his elder brother has hit him with a stick. Danda means stick. किससे कहा? Who said to whom? That is, children, here kisse, this e ki matra has to come. Sorry, I'm using a drawing pad, so it is not coming clearly. Kisne kisse kaha means who said to whom. Kya hua? What happened? What happened? Bade bhai ne lekhak se kaha. The elder brother told the author. Now, vakya banao, make sentences. Vakya means sentences. Tairak means swimmer. वह एक अच्छा तैराक है. He is a very good swimmer. पंजा means paw. उसका पंजा छोटा है. His paws are small. ईर्ष्या, here actually this has to come, children. ईर्ष्या means jealous. वह मुझसे ईर्ष्या क्यों करता है? Why is he jealous of me? उल्लास, happiness. खेल जीतने पर वह उल्लास से भर गया. When he won the game, he was filled with happiness. उपेक्षा, ignore. हमें किसी की उपेक्षा नहीं करनी चाहिए. We should never ignore anyone. स्थानों की पूर्ति करो means fill in the blanks. मेरा भाई मुझसे डैश बड़ा था. My brother was elder to me by 6 years. 6 साल means 6 years. सभी लड़के डैश खेल रहे थे. All the boys were playing what? गुल्ली डंडा. वे आसपास के कई गांवों में सबसे अच्छे तैराक थे. He was one of the best swimmers in the nearby villages. तैराक means swimmer. गांव means village. मेरा भाई डैश से अपाहिज थे. अपाहिज means handicapped. So my brother was handicapped since childhood. बचपन से means from the childhood. मुझे अपने भाई से डैश होती थी. I used to feel jealous towards my brother. So ईर्ष्या. लेखक के भाई बचपन से क्या थे? What was the author's brother since childhood? So the answer is लेखक के भाई बचपन से अपाहिज थे. अपाहिज means handicapped. Now children, you know how he was handicapped, right? On his right leg, he has been affected by polio. लेखक के भाई के एक पैर में क्या हो गया था? What had happened to one of his legs? लेखक के भाई के एक पैर में पोलियो हो गया था. He was affected by polio. So that is the end of the question answers of this lesson, children. Any other lesson or any other doubts you have, please do let me know in the comments below. Take care and see you. Bye-bye.